Imagine a world where more than half of all scientific studies cannot be reproduced. That's the startling reality we face today in what is known as the replication crisis. This crisis, which spans across numerous fields of study, is a significant issue in our pursuit of knowledge and truth. But why does it matter, and how did we get here? Let's delve into the world of aerospace engineering, a discipline where precision and reliability are paramount. In this field, the replication crisis is not merely an academic problem, it can have real-life implications. To illustrate this, consider the case of the Mars Climate Orbiter. This spacecraft, designed to study the Martian climate, was lost upon arrival to Mars in 1999. The reason? A simple unit conversion error between two teams, one using metric units, the other imperial. Though this is not a direct example of the replication crisis, it underscores the importance of shared understanding and meticulousness in scientific research. Had the teams been more rigorous in their communication and double-checked their work, the error might have been caught, and the mission might have succeeded. This brings us to the philosophical underpinnings of scientific research. The Mars Climate Orbiter case can be seen through the lens of positivism, a research philosophy that prioritizes empirical observations and measurable facts. Positivism assumes that a single objective truth exists and can be discovered through careful, systematic investigation. However, the replication crisis challenges this positivist notion. It suggests that our scientific methods may not always lead us to the truth we seek. Rather, they may lead us to partial truths, influenced by various factors like the context of the research, the observer's perspective, and even the language or units used. This is where the other research philosophies come into play. Interpretivism, for example, acknowledges the role of subjective interpretation in scientific research. Realism, on the other hand, posits that reality exists independent of our perceptions, but acknowledges that our understanding of it may be flawed or incomplete. These philosophies remind us that science, as a human endeavor, is inherently fallible. They encourage us to approach research with humility, rigor, and transparency, to question our assumptions, to double-check our work, and to communicate our methods and findings clearly. In confronting the replication crisis, we need to reflect on our own research practices. Are we being rigorous enough? Are we considering different perspectives? Are we being transparent about our methods and findings? The replication crisis is a wake-up call for all of us involved in scientific research. It reminds us that science is not just about finding the truth, but about the ongoing pursuit of understanding. It challenges us to be better, to be more rigorous, more humble, and more transparent in our work. And in doing so, it pushes us to advance not just our individual fields of study, but science as a whole.